Think for a moment, if the water wasn't available, what would you do? There's something known as Tayammum. Tayammum means to just use dust. Dust to do what? To wash yourself. Okay, so how do I do it? Well, I just tap my hands on it and I do, my hands, my face, etc. And I know for a fact this is dust. There's bacteria here. Allah says, don't worry. You've arrived at a level of cleanliness that has readied you and prepared you to begin your prayer. Subhanallah. That proves that, you know what? I know for a fact there's bacteria, there's a bit of dirt, there's a bit of this. Allah says, ignore that. It's irrelevant for now because you didn't have the water. It's irrelevant. So if you look at it, Allah just wants you to do what He has told you to do, even though He knows that it might not be absolutely pure, completely to the degree that there's not even 1% of dirt. That's never the case. There has to be يُغْتَفَرُ فِي الْقَلِيلِ. A little bit of it is excused. It's excusable. You cannot be 100% pure in terms of physical purity, cleanliness. There's gonna be a droplet here, a little splash there, a small thing. Yes, if you can see it with your eyes and you know about it, clean it. And how do you clean it? Do it how Allah told you to do it and you're done. After that, don't worry about it. Move on. Just move on. Do your prayer. It will be accepted. Did you hear what I just said? May Allah grant us ease. I hope those who needed to hear that would actually benefit from it. Right?